Hello, 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 hello. Good evening to everybody. Can you hear me? Hello, hello, hello. It is audible? Hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello, hello. Today, less concepts I will tell you because here power is not there. Mobile data is some disturbances are there. Okay, yeah, not a problem. In previous class also. Disturbance. Now check it out. Concentrate here. 1 minute only. Yeah. Yesterday. We are discussing data dictionaries. Actually, data dictionary is a big concept, but constraint related data dictionaries we are telling. One is, I want to view constraint name, constraint type means user underscore constraints data dictionary. Okay, yes, user underscore constraints data dictionary. But I don't want like this. I want to display column name along with constraint name means user underscore cons underscore columns data dictionary. Up to this one we are discussing. Yesterday, anybody not attending means just you have to listen those classes in a through the video. Okay, yeah. Next, another data dictionary also important in a real-time project side. Already I'm telling, anybody attending a previous class means I'm telling this is a table is there. Okay, in a previous class, same thing I'm telling observation. This is a table. Create a table, test is a table. In this test table, name is a column is there where cat. Now here where cat like this. Here check constraint is created by some person. Name is equal to upper of name. They're creating, for example, anything. Whenever one developer creating a what this check constraint, now that person is resigning means in place of that person I am joining in a company. I am viewing a what that check constraint DSC table name test means it is not visible. You are observing or not that logical condition is not visible. If you want to view that logical condition of the where check constraint, if we want to view that logical condition of the way check constraint, then we are using a what here user underscore constraints is a data dictionary. User underscore constraints is a data dictionary is there. In this data dictionary, search underscore condition is a property is there. Search underscore condition is a property is there. Through that one, we are viewing a logical condition of the where check constraint. Suppose select here search, this is a real-time concept, search underscore condition from user underscore constraints where table underscore name is equal to, yesterday we are telling you capital letter, no, after equal to capital letter table name like this, automatically name is equal to upper of name is visible or not? Yes, yeah. This note also write it. Yesterday 2 points you are writing on notes, no? Yes. Another one, note 2 completed, no? Yes, yeah. Note 3 write it. Note 3. Note 3 you are writing only. Before that one I'm copying this table. Note 3 write it. In Oracle write it. This is important. These 3 points are important only. That's why yesterday notes I write a note 3. Hello, hello, hello. Now it is audible. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, 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 hello. Yes, why? Because some problem is there, mobile data. This one, that's why not properly audible. Only whenever so much of disturbance is there, tell me. Okay, not a problem. Write it. In Oracle, if you want to view, view logical condition, if you want to view logical condition of the check constraint, then we are using search underscore SEL or CH, search underscore condition property, search underscore condition property from user underscore constraints data dictionary. This outside person doesn't know, also not a problem. This is a project oriented. Search underscore condition property from user underscore constraints data dictionary. In Oracle, if you want to view logical condition of the check constraint, then we are using search underscore condition property from user underscore constraints data dictionary. User underscore constraints data dictionary. Example, already on idea, test table on in a table like this. Now here, describe the table. Then it is not visible that logical condition in SQL plus tool side. Then you have to select it like this. DSC user underscore constraints. Then you have to write it this query. Test table is a capital letter. After equal to capital letter, single quotes, capital letter. Already I'm telling you. After equal to single quote, capital letter. This one, write it. In Oracle, if you want to view logical condition of the check constraint, then we are using search underscore condition property from user underscore constraints data dictionary. Second note is important, but this one also better to know. Completed this one fast. Hello. Fastly write it this one. In a plate connected means copy this note and write it. Test is a table, capital letter, write it. Okay, yeah. Hello. It is completed. Hello. Finished this one fast. Yeah. Now very important concept. Actually, whenever subject you are learning different, actually this is the way we are telling lecturers, but unfortunately entry questions are different. Suppose you are a Java programmer, Oracle programmer, you are attending an interview, really little bit of knowledge is there in a database or not, means some predefined queries are there. Write a query to display the highest salary employee from EMP table. Write a query to display second highest salary from EMP table. Write a query to delete duplicate rows from a table. They are asking interviewer. Any interview also you have to check it out in a worldwide. Same questions. Why? Because that question answers you are writing means, oh, maybe this knowledge or some knowledge is required. That's why our minimum knowledge is there. This person, they're understandable. Same like data dictionaries, they want to check means these are all the things really they are not asking. One interview question, one other is designing only so many number of years onwards. Still nowadays interviewer asking about those questions only. What is that question means? Observe here. Very interesting question. And now check it out. That is without data dictionary impossible. Suppose here this is a table is there, EMP table is there. So now in this EMP table, okay, employee number column, alter table name EMP, rename column, old column name. Okay, suppose observe here. In this EMP table, check it out here. In this EMP table, here, how they're asking a question means write a query which counts a number of columns in a table they're asking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's a beautiful entry question. Why? Because number of rows only we are counting, count to star. That is everyone knows in every database also. Number of rows only counting is there, but number of columns, how can I count? Difficult. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 only. Whenever you are writing a query, 8 is output I want only. How it is possible means simple technique is there. These all columns information is available in a where another data dictionary rows wise only. Those rows we are counting in that data dictionary, then automatically working. That's why data dictionary knowledge is there. Then only you are allowed to write that query. Otherwise, impossible. That's why data dictionary knowledge is there or not figured out purpose entry or that popular entry question nowadays they're asking. That's why before we are starting at that intro question, you are only writing today that intro question. Just I am telling only in a Oracle side, all columns information, columns, data types, information automatically stored, not in a constraints. Columns information stored in a where user underscore tab is a keyword is there. Tab underscore columns is a data dictionary. Observe here. In Oracle side, all columns information stored under user underscore tab underscore columns is a data dictionary is there. Really, that is correct. Data types and columns and constraints. And now check it out. DSC user underscore observe here tab underscore columns is a data dictionary is there. Okay, fine. User underscore tab underscore columns is a data dictionary. In this data dictionary, I want to view column names means column underscore name is there. Data types means data types like this only. Really, that is correct. Select, don't edit anything. Select column underscore name only from user underscore tab underscore columns where and now here table underscore name is equal to which table columns you want means emp means emp, dpt means dpt like this. Yes, these columns are stored in a where rows wise it will be storing or not. Here these rows we are counting means then possible in this data dictionary, but first this data dictionary knowledge is required only. And now here write it something. Write a note 4. Note 4, write it. In Oracle, write it. In Oracle, all columns information, only columns, all columns information stored under user underscore tab underscore columns data dictionary. In Oracle, all columns information stored under user underscore tab underscore columns data dictionary. In Oracle, all columns information stored under user underscore tab underscore columns data dictionary. Okay, na? Yes, here DSC, write it. DSC user underscore tab underscore columns. Here we have to write it what this example through this one entry question I will tell you. DSC user underscore tab underscore columns. This one write it. In Oracle, all columns information stored under user underscore tab underscore columns data dictionary. DSC user underscore tab underscore columns. Select column underscore name property is there from user underscore tab underscore columns where table underscore name is equal to single quotes capital letter EMP single quote close. Fastly write it. Based on this one, entry question you are only writing. Then this data dictionary, how it is helpful default values purpose, I am telling. Finished this one. User underscore only columns information, not constraints. This is a different data dictionary. User underscore tab underscore columns. Select column underscore name from user underscore tab underscore columns where table underscore name is equal to single quotes, capital letter, table name, single quote close. Finished this one. Hello. Finish this one. Yes. Now I am drawing a what diagrammatically. Then I am asking into a question that is maybe you are only trying. I think you are writing is really great. There's popular entry question. Yes, you are. Now check it out. Now observe it here. I am drawing the diagram first because those columns you don't have an idea. Now through this one we are telling about important entry question and also default values we are telling today. Here this is a Oracle database. Observe it here. This is Oracle database. Here one table is there. What is that one? User underscore tab underscore columns is a table is there. This data dictionary very helpful in a future. That's why I'm trying. Here table underscore name is there. That is a table names are storing. Not only that one, columns also available. Here all tables information, all columns information in a table. Column underscore name is a column name. Okay, no? Yeah. Another one data underscore type is there. That is called data types are available. Default underscore value. So many things are there. Data underscore default also there. Today I am telling you what which one data underscore type I am typing. That is better type like this. Data underscore type. Suppose here this is all the tables information. EMP table is there, for example. In this EMP table, rows wise that columns information is available. That is employee number, e-name, job, MGR, hire date, salary, commission, DPT number. Draw this one. Firstly, draw this diagram. Then I am asking inter question. Then you are only telling a what, writing that query. Very good. Completed this diagram. Otherwise, take a snap through the mobile. Okay, now what is the query? Write a query which is used to count the number of columns in EMP table. They're asking particular table, but unfortunately, column counting is not there. But those all columns are stored in a way rows wise in this table only. That's why these rows we are counting possible. These rows we are counting from the where select count star from this data dictionary. Where table name is equal to this EMP means automatically working or not that much of powerful. That's why actually column counting is not there. But unfortunately, EMP table, some table is there. No, in that table, all the columns, whatever employee number is there, or now here E name is there, job is there, those all columns are available in a way rows wise or available in a way rows wise in this table. Through that one, we are calculating is possible. And now that much powerful. And now here, write a query. Write a query, writing this intro question. Write a query. Data dictionary purpose. Write a query. Write a query which is used to count. Write a query which is used to count number of columns. Number of columns, not rows. Write a query which is used to count the number of columns from EMP table. Using data dictionary, that one they're not telling. Why? Because knowledge is required. It's a predefined queries. Write a query which is used to count the number of columns from EMP table. Write a query which is used to count the number of columns from EMP table. Write a query which is used to count number of columns from EMP table. Very good. One fellow is writing Niranjan. Yes, 100% correct. Yeah. Simple technique is there. Number of columns counting really not there, but this is interview question. That's why. So now we are practicing only. Why that is interview question they are designing means number of columns not helpful in a project set, but unfortunately why they are asking means this data dictionary is very helpful in some other situation in a future virtual column side. Today default value side very helpful only. That's purpose. Completed this query. Write a query which is used to count the number of columns from EMP table. Conflict is writing. Try it. This entry question. No, that's why you are only try it. Last 1 minute. Try it that one. Very good. Others, you are also writing correctly. Very good. Two persons are writing. And again, Vijay is correct. Ravi also, but after equal to capital letter. But Ravi, column name you are giving, count you are using only. Okay, very good. Column names are displayed. I don't want like this counting 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Jansi, correct. Very good. Vinod, correct. Yes, very good. So many films are writing correctly. Very good. Now here, check it out. It is not audible properly. Also, you are writing correctly. Is great. And now here, check it out. Concentrate here. Actually, this is a table. Is there the data dictionary? Yes. What is that one? User underscore. Simple technique. User underscore tab underscore columns is a data dictionary. Is there? Okay, fine. Yes, here in this one, don't read, just observe. This is a table is there. Okay, na? Yes. Now check it out. Here, yes, table is there. EMP table is there here. In this EMP table, always so many rows are there, columns are there. You have an idea. Simple, that easy. But newcomer purpose, I'm explaining only. Employee, we intro question, no, that's why. Employee number, E-name, job, so many columns are there. Now here number of rows are there. Suppose in a table they are giving me normally, not this side, right hand side of the table is there. How can I count number of rows? Rows means rows counting is there in a database. Select count star from table name we are using. Then automatically says automatically 1, 2, 3, 4, 14 rows. It will be displayed. 14 is a number. It will display in a olden days or not. But unfortunately, I don't want like this. I want to count number of columns. Number of columns counting means there is no function really in a databases. But unfortunately, these columns are stored in a way in another table rows wise. Absolutely. This employee number column is stored in a way user underscore tab underscore columns rows wise employee number. This ename column also automatically stored in a where in a rows wise. Okay, na? Yes, yeah. Now these rows we are counting possible. Yes, these rows we are counting in a way this data dictionary possible. Select count star or count column name from which data dictionary user underscore tab underscore columns where table underscore name is equal to EMP. Simple. So many tables are there. Which table? EMP table only. Okay, na? Yes, yeah. Now check it out. Really that is correct or not? Yes, check it out. Yes, go to SQL prompt. Select simple count star or count column name. Count column name correct, but maybe I don't know column names. We select count star. Select count star from user underscore tab underscore columns. We are using columns where table underscore name is equal to single quotes capital letter, because table underscore name we are not giving me so many tables columns only. That's why yes, EMP means EMP, DEPT means DEPT. Automatically 8 is displayed. No, very good, correct. Now copy, otherwise count column name also not a problem. Okay, yeah, very good. Now check it out. So many fellows are writing like this. Now copy this one. I try to execute. Here automatically 8 is displayed or not? Yes, very good. Write it fastly this one. Now I'm copying only. Now write it. This query, write it. Write it. Okay. Count star or count column name. Not about. Oh, maybe this is data dictionary. How much important this data dictionary today? You are understandable. Don't worry. Some other concepts are there. Complete data, this one. 8 answer output, write it. Okay. Yeah. Now, this data dictionary not only helpful in a future virtual columns, today default clause is there. In that case, also very helpful. Write it. Now, actually, up to now, not null, unique, primary key, foreign key, check key, another constraint, that is not a constraint. Default clause is there. Write it. Default clause. Default clause. Default clause. Default clause. This is very easy. Not a constraint. Default clause. Now check it out. How much easy? Suppose this is a table is there in my project. Okay, fine. Suppose you are joining in a company, for example. Whenever you are joining in a company, data entry operator, date that which date you are joining, only the date they are not inserting. That time only automatically the date or time is automatically inserted. How it is possible? In a stored procedure, the concept is there in that procedure only. Yes, default clause they are using. Same like in a table, observe here, create table, don't write it here, table name, test is a table. Here I'm using a what, a name is a column. Here where cat2, like simple concept. Where cat2 like this only. Okay, na? Yes, here. Now here name is a column and salary is a column I'm using. In the salary column, I want to store a default values. Possible. Just a default is a clause we are using only. Nothing is there. Default here, suppose here 3000 I'm giving only. Default value is passing. What is the meaning of this one? Whenever we are inserting our data, You are not inserting what any values means default values taken by the server or not. Yes, here name value I'm inserting, for example. Salary column values I'm not interested to insert. In that case, default value it will be taking same like a normal language. Suppose here, now check it out. Now ABC like this. Now here, actually, now I try to type here, select here, stop, sorry, select star from here. Yes, here E, okay, test only, then automatically, yes, here 3000. Whenever you are inserting a default values means default values, but unfortunately, how can I view this default value in a table means DSC table name default value is not visible. Yes, today we are learning a one data dictionary, user underscore tab underscore date columns is a data dictionary. Is there not? Through this data dictionary only we are viewing a default values. That is the entry question. That is I will tell you. Write it, some theory, write it. Some theory, write it. Write it, default class. In Oracle, in Oracle, in Oracle, if you want to, if you want to, in Oracle, if you want to store default values, default values, default values into a column, into a column, then we are using, then we are using default class. Then we are using default class. In the future, in this default class sequences also we are passing. Simple. Syntax, write it. Syntax, column name, data type, size, default, default value. In a value only, okay? Column name, data type, size, default, default value. Column name, data type, size, default, default value. Write it in this table. Completed fast. If you are inserting your own values means your own values first inserted. If you are not inserting any values means default values inserted. Hello. Completed? Yes. Now 1 minute observed here. 1 minute. Actually, whenever in SQL plus tool side means some fellow is passing a default values. I am describing a table DSC table name. It is not visible in a default value only. Here salary column, it is not visible in a default value or not. How can I view that default value means very important interview question. How can I view default values in a where in a column in a SQL plus tool means one data dictionary is there. What is that one? Columns information is there. User underscore, tab underscore, columns is a data dictionary is there. In this data dictionary, data underscore default is a property is there. Through that one only, we are viewing what default values from a table column. Very important. Really, that is correct. Now, that purpose only we are using DSC. These are all data dictionary related concepts. DSC, user underscore, tab underscore, columns is a data dictionary is there. 1 minute observe it here. Now, check it out. In this case, data underscore default is a property is there. You are observing or not? Data underscore default. Data underscore default is a property is there. Data underscore default is a property is there. Through that one property means column. Okay. Na? Yes, select. Now here check it out. Column underscore name is there. Okay, comma. Data underscore default is a clause is there. Okay, fine. From user underscore tab underscore columns is a data dictionary. Now where table underscore, okay, test table, what is the table? Where table underscore name is equal to single quotes. What is the table? Yes, test is a table. Okay. Yes, here now here test is a table capital letter. Now I am using only, then automatically yes, observe here salary 3000 is normal column also visible, but salary 3000 is there or not? Yes, here this is I want only. Now write a note. Note write it. Then another concept very important, but today this note write it. Write a note. In Oracle side, write it. In Oracle, if you want to view, if you want to view default values of a column is table column, okay, of a column, then we are using data underscore default property from user underscore tab underscore columns data dictionary. User underscore data underscore default property from user underscore tab underscore columns data dictionary. Okay, example write it. Go to SQL prompt DSC user underscore tab underscore columns like this. Okay, na? Yeah. This is also right. Next default on null important concept is there, but today are not properly. Right? Okay, na? Next default on all class something is there. That is tomorrow I will tell you because this is mobile data properly not audible. That is a problem. Up to this one is enough today. Tomorrow I will tell you remaining. Okay, na? Thank you. Tomorrow will continue. Because important concepts are there. Tomorrow will continue. Thank you. Okay, na? Tomorrow better. Okay. Thank you. Tomorrow continue.